Growing a social media account for a teeth whitening business requires a strategic and consistent approach. Here are some tips to help you grow your account. Understanding who your target audience is, their demographics, interests, and pain points will help you tailor your content to their needs and preferences. Post high-quality content that provides value to your followers and helps build your brand as a trusted and knowledgeable source in the teeth whitening industry. This can include before and after photos, testimonials, tips, and promotions. Using relevant hashtags can help you reach a wider audience, increase visibility, and attract new followers who are interested in teeth whitening. Partnering with influencers and other businesses in the beauty or dental industry can help you reach new audiences and increase visibility. Utilizing social media advertising, such as paid posts, sponsored stories, and promoted accounts, can help you reach a larger audience and attract new followers. Respond to comments, direct messages, and mentions to build relationships and increase engagement with your followers. Regularly track your metrics, such as engagement and reach, and adjust your strategy accordingly. By following these tips and being consistent with your efforts, you can grow your social media account and increase awareness of your teeth whitening business. Engagement and return on investment, ROI, are two key social media metrics that help to measure the success of your social media presence and activities. Engagement refers to the level of interaction and connection between your brand and its followers on social media. Some of the engagement metrics include likes, shares, and comments on posts, click-through rates on links, video views, mentions and tag mentions, followers and unfollowers. Return on investment, ROI. ROI measures the financial return generated from social media activities, such as sales and leads generated from social media marketing campaigns. To calculate ROI, divide the revenue generated from social media marketing by the cost of the campaign. It is important to regularly track and analyze these metrics to understand the performance of your social media presence and make informed decisions for future efforts. This can be done through various social media management and analytics tools.